Welcome to our video, where I will show you 5 reasons why you should eat garlic every day. Let's get into it, shall we? Garlic has been regarded as one of the most potent foods to cure a variety of diseases and conditions. According to the book Healing Foods, garlic is universally recognized for its health-promoting benefits, aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, boosting the immune system, lowering blood pressure, and fighting heart disease. It even helps to eliminate toxins. While it makes for an intrinsic part of our cooking preparations, raw garlic, taken especially at first thing in the morning, can bring about a bevy of health benefits. Yes, it may not be the best idea for your breath, but the many health benefits of the practice would surely compel you to chuck in a small chunk each morning. Here are a few reasons why you should have garlic on an empty stomach. Number 1. Stronger lipid profile. Raw garlic in the morning on an empty stomach may be very beneficial for your lipid profile. It's a natural blood thinner, which helps stabilize blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Studies have also revealed how sulfur compounds found in garlic help destroy tumor cells. Garlic is a powerful antibiotic that may heal various lung diseases and strengthen the gut for better absorption of nutrients from food. Number 2. Powerful natural antibiotic. Raw garlic is one of the most effective natural antibiotics. The power raises significantly if garlic is consumed raw, on an empty stomach. Having a piece of raw garlic exposes the bacteria to the tough, healing properties of garlic, which helps prevent the bacterial action in the gut. Garlic contains abundant antibiotic and antifungal sulfur compounds, including allicin, allin, and azoein. The antibiotic components and its volatile oil helps treat cough and cold. Number 3. Digestion and weight loss benefits. Eating raw garlic first thing in the morning stimulates digestion and appetite. A smoother digestion, amongst other things, also aids in effective weight loss. Eating raw garlic is also effective for tummy problems like diarrhea. Number 4. Hypertension. The sulfur-containing compounds allicin, DIALLYL disulfide, and DIALLYL TRISULFIDE could help regulate your blood pressure levels too. Number 5. Detox. The sulfhydryl compound in garlic helps remove toxic substances from the body. Therefore, if you had a heavy dinner last night, it's always a good idea to start the next day in a detox mode. Raw garlic has a significantly better nutritive profile than cooked, which is why raw garlic is often one of the most common toppings and ingredients for salads and veggies. Here is how you can start your day with garlic. Make sure the garlic is fresh. This is because the allicin compounds degrade dramatically if the garlic is made to sit out for too long. Carefully peel the skin off of one part of the clove and keep the other half of the clove in the refrigerator. Cut a small chunk of the part you peeled. Eating too much garlic on an empty stomach can prove to be rather shocking for your system and make you sick. Swallow the garlic with a full glass of water. Since garlic has its own pungent flavor, chewing into it may get a bit much for some. It is advisable to swallow a small chunk with water. Starting the day with lukewarm water can kickstart metabolism too. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.